Should you do interior or exterior waterproofing? Today, we're addressing this topic head on and seeing which one is better for you. Exterior waterproofing usually consists of a perimeter excavation to expose the foundation, a new membrane application on the walls, a dimple mat, and a new exterior drainage system. In theory, this approach works. The problem is that the majority of homes already had an existing waterproofing system applied when it was built. And if it already failed, it's likely to fail again. Now, if anything goes wrong with an exterior waterproofing system, there's really not much you can do. You would need to re-excavate the perimeter of the foundation, so any landscaping, pool decks, porches, all of it would need to come out. Also, if you have an HVAC unit in that area, it would also need to be removed and basically not have air conditioning until the job's done. Now, interior waterproofing, or as some call it, interior water management, works by capturing the water that's coming into your basement and rechanneling it to go outside. The system consists of a wall seal to capture any vapor coming in and through the walls, a basement gutter to capture the water coming in from the cold joint and channel it up towards the sump pump basin, a sump pump to push the water outside, and an exterior drainage to release the water 10 to 15 feet away from the home. Pair that with a commercial grade dehumidifier to control the moisture within the basement, and you have a full solution. The servicing of this system is significantly simpler, and Groundworks offers a lifetime warranty, making sure that the installation is good for years to come. Now, it's important to make sure that the quality of the pump meets your home needs. Some areas have a higher water table than others. That's why we offer a single, a double, and a triple sump pump to make sure your basement is covered. If you have a finished basement, unfortunately, we would need to remove some of the finishing to properly install our system. But every home is unique, so we recommend scheduling a free inspection with a Groundworks professional to find out what needs to come out and what needs to stay in. So is it better to waterproof a basement from the inside or the outside? We recommend interior waterproofing because it's less intrusive, it has better serviceability, a lifetime warranty, and it's a system that's proven to work. Give the pros at Groundworks a call today to get started with a free inspection.